Machine daily maintenance. Springs, bearings, gears, joint shift. These positions need to supply the oil regularly. This is the transmission position. You need to turn on the machine and run it slowly. Also supply some oil on it and let it go in slowly. These positions, we already made a dust cover. You can put it out and treat a little oil. Also turn on the machine and let it go into slowly. This one is the gas storage tank, which needs to be discharged the wastewater regularly. It is drainage valve for the wastewater. You should open it regularly to discharge the water.